Hello friends, today's video we will talk about one of the most famous candlestick patterns, which is the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. This is very famous, guys, among traders, be it stock, forex or crypto. And bullish engulfing look like this. It has first it should be the bearish candle, the green candle, the red candle, and then right after that it has to be a bullish green candle. The green candle should be engulfing entire body of the red candle. That's the rule. And the ideal bullish engulfing candle, guys, should be the lower of this body should be engulfing of this red candle. But I have mentioned this kind of setup here because normally if you look at chart, real-time chart, so you will find the ideal kind of bullish engulfing pattern. So if this kind of candlestick pattern being formed at this support specifically, you need to keep in mind that, remember that if this candlestick being formed at this support level, you can consider this as a bullish engulfing pattern. And we will take an example here. This red candle, after the red candle the bullish green candle formed here, and almost this candle has engulfed entire body of this red candle. And you can place a buy order here right after closing of this green candle, the long order here, and your stop loss, guys, obviously below of this wick. And if there is support or ATR, you can also use that for the stop loss purposes. And your take profit would be accordingly 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 risk reward ratio as per your trading style. In the next video we'll talk about the bearish engulfing pattern in the next video, guys.